Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these super adorable little hair clips. And I've got this super adorable little avocado and this little bunny head one, and look how cute they are. And they've got super mini 9mm bows, which I don't do very often, but I'm going to show you how to do those as well. We're going to start with the avocado one. I've got some little bits of ribbon. Hold on, that's for the centre. This one is for covering the clip, and this is a 45mm clip. You need about 10 centimeters of ribbon in the colour that you want, and you can do this with any of the shaker clips. This glue that I'm going to show you, this is industrial grade super glue, and it works perfectly. It's one of the few that I have tried that doesn't peel off with the shakers against ribbon and things like that, so it works really well. So heat seal the end of your ribbon. We're going to put a touch of glue here on the back of our clip because we're going to cover it, so we've got something for the our avocado shaker to sit on. Let's put that there. Now I always use one of these little clips here. I'm going to put some glue either side of this. There we go. And then with this one, I bring this in evenly and then use that point bit to tap them against the either side so it glues nicely in that gap. Now I don't use a glue gun for this because it can be a bit like, it can leave lumps underneath. So what I actually do is with the super glue, you don't want a lot because it goes a long way. Just a teeny tiny thin layer, and bring that over so it's nice and smooth. Don't press down too much because you'll get super glue on your fingers. If you're anything like me, you'll glue yourself to something shortly. Again, heat seal the end, and then I'll just finish this off with glue gun glue on the tip. Bring that over so that you're left with a covered clip. Now on this one, as you can see on the other one, I put the shaker just off a little bit to the side, and again with your super glue, bring it down to where you want the clip to sit and angle it where you want it. Now with this, I do open the clip, and what I do is with two of my hair clips I use, because the super glue doesn't set immediately, is I use two of these clips to hold it in place to set, and it takes like a couple of minutes. I normally leave it on for like a little bit of time, so while we're waiting for that to set, we shall make the bow. And as you can see here, this is going to be our centre, this is for the half pinwheel bit, and this is for the middle to make like the avocado like bow. And we've got 14 centimeters for the main bit for the pinwheel, and 7 centimeters for the center, and then I've done 8 centimeters for the middle. So put that to one side for a moment. And with this one, I've already folded this in half and heat creased the center. Now with this, we're going to do it with our fingers. So all I do is hold it from there with your thumb and bring it round over your two fingers like this to get your Z shape. And I do it so I've got about 1 centimetre either side of the tail. And then you can take your clip, 1, 2, and I always do them opposite ways around, and then bring it so your edges meet, and again heat crease down that centre. There we go, nice and even there, and then flip it over so it's this way, and this is where I check and see if the tails are even. If not, you can give them a little trim down to get the tails accurate as well. At this point, I'll do a little curve this way, and then a little curve that way, and then heat seal them both in the blue clear bit of the flame. Then we can open up, and as you can see, we've got the nice crease there. With this one, where we've got folds in, you want to bring them like 1/2 centimetre over from that centre crease, either side, like this, so you can see, and just hold it in place a minute. Again, I'll just take another little clip for a moment, then bring this, you want to line it up so that it's right in the middle, and then I bring that clip there, and that clip there. You can get rid of that one. What you want to do is make sure that that bit is all still lined up, and that's why you get a nice even tidy bow. Just get my needle and thread. So there we go. Now this is only a little bow, so we don't need as many stitches as we normally do. We're only going to do 4. We want to go in from above, over, and like I said, make sure that this is all tucked under even. 1, 2, 1. So I've got 4 in total. So in, across, out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And that's what the back looks like. You should have 2 there, which will give you 2 creases. And then leave your clips in. You pinch it round, wrap it nice and tight, super tight, round the back. There we go. So there's your cute little teeny tiny 9mm bow. I'm just going to pull that over that way because it was a little bit off centre. That's better. And then you can cut the back. Okay, so for the knot, this is the like 8 centimeters of the matching ribbon, and I fold it in half like this, so it's pretty even when the edges line up. Okay, you don't need this much, this is just so you can tie the knot. So pull it around your fingers like this, and then you make a like fish loop, can you see? And then you bring this through here and pull it so it's in the centre, so you've got your knot, and then twist that one down so that both sides are flat. Okay, and then like I said, you really won't need that much either side, so I'm going to trim this down. Again, pinch that in the blue clear bit of the flame, pinch, pinch, pinch. Same this side. Pinch, pinch, pinch. And that is your cute little teeny tiny dotted centre. And then I put a dot of glue on the back there. And not a big one at all. And then we can pop that right on the middle. And then you just want a little bit of glue either side, one side first, then the other. Tiny bows are fiddly. There we go, and there's a cute little baby 9mm nested half pinwheel bow basically, but it's like the teeniest version of it. I'll put all the measurements in the description box below. And then again with the super glue, we want to put a touch of this just below where we want the bow to sit. Place the bow against the shaker so it's in the right place on the clip. And again, what I do with some more hair clips in the alligator clip, I use that as a way to hold it to the bow. So again, you pop them through, and like I said, give it a bit of time, and once it's all set, you'll have this all ready to go. And again, if you want to make a bunny version, here's the bow and the clip and everything I made further. I really like these little shaker ones because they've got like the little details on the edges. And again, bit of super glue at the top. Open up your clip, pop one across or two across so it holds it in place. A little bit of super glue for below it for your bow. Pop that on. And again, a couple of clips. You can even use the same one to do both your rabbit and your bit there, as long as it holds them in place for a little bit of time. So there you go. And here's the ones I made earlier, and how cute are they? And like I said, they're perfect like as side clips or like extra little bits and pieces. You can use all different shakers and all different bits and pieces like that. And like I said, it's just a really cute little 9mm bow as well. You could do it on a standard clip and just do it the sideways or just as a by itself. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye!